Hey everyone, Rod here with a quick review of a couple of new light panels that we just received. Up until this point, we've been using the CN600-SA light panels. They have 600 LEDs, they're extremely lightweight, durable, and they put off low heat and pull low voltage. So these have worked out really well. They're battery powered. It has the Sony V-Lock, but what I like to use is the Tekion batteries that plug right in. They have a dimmer switch and also a remote dimmer switch port as well. Now, a couple weeks ago, I saw something new come on the market, which is a new version of this very light with a couple of key differences. I have one right here. Everything looks the same until you turn it around. There's a new backing. A couple of the changes that you'll see right away is not only this new backing, but it's a smaller footprint. However, it's going to be a little bit deeper than this older version, but overall it's smaller. We still have the Sony V-Lock mount. We also have the dimmer control and the on-off switch, and of course you have the remote dimmer switch. Currently I have a Tekion battery plugged into it. That makes it really portable. It does come with power bricks, but sometimes I don't have power. And these Tekions work out really well. Give me about an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes at full brightness. Another change is on these older versions, the filters would slide in from the side, and sometimes if you had it on a boom, you had possibility that it could slide out through the side. Now they have changed that design and went with a top loading. They have the tabs at the top, and they slide right in. Which is a nice touch and less worrisome. However, I think the main reason why we made the switch over to this new version is because of this little guy right here. It's a remote control, which will now allow you to remotely control a light. On this remote, you can control up to 4 different lights. Currently, I have the key light set up with this, and with the press of the button, I can bring it down. Then also, bring it back up. I tested this remote from about 30 feet away. Works just fine, controls the light, no problem. And the key that makes it all work is this little adapter that goes into the remote dimmer switch port. You plug this in, has this wire that connects to this device. There's dip switches on the back of the remote that ties in with the dip switches on the back of the adapter, which controls the light. So that's pretty cool. Now when I'm doing interviews, I can go ahead and set up to 4 lights, be behind my camera, and control the brightness of each light, which is a huge bonus. Usually I'm a one-man band, and going to each light, set and going back to my camera can waste a lot of time. Now, so this should increase the speed of my workflow. I found these on eBay. They're $250 each, and probably the best deal that I found so far, and I'll put a link down in the description below. I carry these around in a PhotoKing 1650 case. Now it's a little bit bigger case than I'd like to have, but I know that when I arrive, everything's going to be safe and secure. So on the top level, I have the 2 lights along with the filters, and then once I remove those, down below is 2 smaller light stands and 2 power bricks, as well as these wireless adapters. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. As always, if you do have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.